I'm getting so bored of my puppet. It's actually like boring. Wait, let's go to the trading hub. Maybe we can trade this for something else. Wait, we need 3 squishies to enter. That wasn't there before. This is not a squishy at all. Maybe if I just... What if I just say this is 3 squishies? So let's put it in. Access denied. Let's go trade people for squishies, I guess. Where can we find... Oh guys, look over there. She has 3 squishies. Wait guys, this is so cool. But just get those fishes. Those are like 4 squishies. So excuse me ma'am, can I trade this popsicle puppet for those fish squishies? I really like these fishes, but they're kind of small. And plus, I just got the viral mini cheese. So. Okay, yeah. I'll trade you. Accept. Thank you. Oh my gosh, guys. I think we can go in. I hope this counts as 4. I'm gonna keep 1 squishy. So, I feel like I'm gonna keep this one. Because this one's the only one that has eyes. And it would be a good starter. Put it in. Enter. Just granted. Guys, we're going to the Fidget hub. Sorry guys, my grammar is so bad. Whoa, we're teleporting. Whoa guys, we're here. Wait, where did the fish go? No, they took it with us. Oh man. Whoa, a basket with this confetti. I think this is like a basket for trading. Whoa, what was that? Wait, let me go find it. Whoa, it's a squishy. This must be my starter squishy. Let's try to trade this with someone. Trading ultra rare bingo squishy. It's very, very, very rare. Going once, going twice. Gosh guys, that girl has a rare squishy and I feel like I can trade her for these squishies. They're not really that good. Really dirty. Like, look at that. Ew. Okay, girl, I'll trade you this capybara, this cat, and the viral cheese. Accept. Guys, she's so over, but I think I can scam her into adding... Oh, wait. The fishes. I need those fishes. Actually, all her fidgets. See, ma'am, this squishy is really rare, so I need you to add 3 more fidgets. Fine. I'll add the rare butter squishy. This fishes, I guess. I don't even like these squishies, so anyways. And this puppet. I know it's not squishy, but yeah, whatever. Okay, remove the puppet, then it's a deal. Please, against puppet much? Okay, here. You can have those. Oh my god, guys, we got the... Wait a minute. This ain't even rare. I just got scammed. Sucker. Let's go. Guys, we got the... Oh my gosh, guys. The viral butter squishy. The viral cheese. Oh my gosh, the texture on this is so good. This... Ew, why is it so dirty? Oh, my cheese. This is so dirty, but I guess I'll keep it. We got the fishes back. And this cat. I might trade the butter next. Because it low-key sucks. Trading viral butter. Going once, going twice, going 3 times. Me. That's my dream fidget. I'll add all my fidgets. I'll add this strawberry and this slow rice bread squishy. It's really good. But like, I know it's bigger than the butter, but the butter is like my dream squishy. It's a deal here. Thanks for the squishies. Gee guys, this bread squishy is like so good. Oh my gosh, this feels so good. Let's add it in the basket. Bread squishy, cat, Mara. Oh, there's hair. Yeah. Fishes. Lastly, my favorite, the cheese. Okay guys, it's a successful trading day. Bye!